Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The 1968 Dodge Charger is one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever built. Known for its aggressive styling, powerful engines, and presence in popular culture, the 68 Charger remains a sought-after classic. Here's a full detailed breakdown of this legendary car. 1. Overview. Manufacturer, Dodge Chrysler Corporation. Production years, 1968 to 1970. Second generation. Body style, two-door fastback coupe. Platform, Chrysler B-body. Layout, FR front engine, rear-wheel drive. 2 exterior features. New Coke bottle design. The 1968 model introduced cavia body lines with a sleek, aggressive stance. Hidden headlights. The signature grille had a full-width design with a hidden headlamp door mechanism. Flying buttress roofline. A unique rear roof pillar design that gave it a fastback-like look. Round tail lights. 4 round tail lamps replaced the previous year's rectangular lights. RT package road track. Introduced for high-performance models, featuring unique badging, performance upgrades, and bumblebee stripes. 3 engine options. The 68 Charger came with a range of powerful engine choices: base engine, 225 cu and 3.7L slant 6 145 HP, mostly found in non-performance models. V8 options. 318 cu and 5.2L LA V8 230 HP 383 cu and 6.3 lb V8. 2-barrel, 290 HP 4-barrel, 330 HP high-performance engines, 440 cu and 7.2L Magnum V8 375 HP 426 cu and 7.0L Hemi V8 425 HP, famous for its racing heritage. 4 transmission options. 3-speed manual standard. 4-speed manual optional, with Hurst shifter on performance models. 3-speed torque flight automatic optional, common on most models. 5 suspension and handling. Front suspension, torsion bar. Rear suspension, leaf spring with a solid axle. Brakes, standard drum brakes all around. Front disc brakes were optional. Steering, power steering available as an option. 6 interior features. Standard bench or optional bucket seats with vinyl or cloth trim. Pistol grip shifter on manual transmission models. Full gauges dashboard with a speedometer, tachometer, fuel, and temperature gauges. Wood grain trim available on higher trims. AM radio or optional 8-track stereo. 7 special editions and packages. Charger RT Road Track included the 440 Magnum V8 as standard, 426 Hemi optional. Heavy-duty suspension and performance brakes. Bumblebee stripe on the rear optional, delete. Charger 500 late 1968 to 1969, aerodynamically improved for NASCAR. Flush-mounted grille and rear window for better air resistance. 8 performance stock 0 to 60 miles per hour and quarter-mile times. 383 V8 330 HP, 7.5 SEC 0 to 60 miles per hour 15.3 SEC 1/4 mile. 440 Magnum 375 HP, 6.3 SEC 0 to 60 miles per hour 14.0 SEC 1/4 mile. 426 Hemi 425 HP, 5.3 SEC 0 to 60 miles per hour 13.5 SEC 1/4 mile. 9 Pop culture and legacy. The 1968 Charger became a Hollywood legend, most famously featured in Bullitt 1968, the iconic car chase vs. Steve McQueen's Mustang. The Dukes of Hazzard, the 1969 Charger, General Lee Fast and Furious franchise Dom Toretto's signature charger. Collector value, due to its limited production and demand. Well-restored 1968 chargers, especially RT and Hemi models, can fetch over 100,000 at auctions today. 10. Conclusion. The 1968 Dodge Charger remains one of the greatest muscle cars ever built. With its menacing looks, powerful engines, and racing pedigree, it's a dream car for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Whether in stock form or customized, the 68 Charger represents the golden era of American muscle cars. Would you like details on restoration, modifications, or buying tips? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.